let's read about atmosphere today, which is a very important topic from all the upcoming exams. The envelope of air that completely surrounds the earth is known as atmosphere. The atmosphere extends to about 1000 kilometers from the surface of the earth, but 99% of the total mass of the atmosphere is found within 32 kilometers. This is because the atmosphere is held by the gravitational pull of the earth. Composition of the atmosphere: nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 20.95%, argon is 0.93%, carbon dioxide is 0.04%, neon is 0.0018%, helium is 0.0005%, ozone is 0.0006%, hydrogen is 0.00005%. Then comes carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is presently present in small quantity in the atmosphere. It is an important constituent of air because it has the ability to absorb heat and thus keeps the atmosphere warm, thereby balancing the heat of the earth. Water vapor is the most significant component of the atmosphere as far as its effects on weather is concerned, although its quantity varies considerably from practically none, that is 0, to up to about 4% by volume. Water vapor is the source of all clouds and precipitation, rain, hail, storm, etc. Water vapor, like carbon dioxide, has the ability to absorb heat energy. It also regulates the hydrological cycles. Dust intercepts and reflects incoming insolation. The polluted particles present in the air not only absorb larger amount of insolation but also greatly absorb the terrestrial radiation. Dust is in the atmosphere contributes to the red and orange color of sunrise and sunset. Layers of the atmosphere, this is very important, which will be coming in most of the exams. There are five distinct layers of the atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Troposphere, this is the first layer of the atmosphere. According to Encyclopedia Britannica, it extends to a height of 18 kilometers at the equator and 8 kilometers at the poles. In this layer, temperature decreases with height. This is due to the fact that the density of air decreases with height and so the heat absorbed is less. It contains more than 90% of gases in the atmosphere. Since most of the water vapor form clouds in this layer, all weather changes occur in the troposphere. Tropo means change. The height at which the temperature stops decreasing is called tropopause, hence the temperature may be as low as minus 58 degrees Celsius. Stratosphere. This is the second layer of the atmosphere. It extends from the tropopause to about 50 kilometers. Temperature increases due to the absorption of the ultraviolet radiation of the sun by ozone present in this layer. The temperature slowly increases to 4 degrees Celsius. This layer is free from clouds and associated weather phenomenon, hence it provides ideal flying conditions for large jet planes. At about 50 kilometers, the temperature begins to fall again. This marks the end of the stratosphere. The end of the stratosphere is called the stratopause. Mesosphere. Above the stratosphere lies the mesosphere. The mesosphere extends to height of 80 kilometers. Here the temperature decreases again, falling as low as minus 90 degrees Celsius. The end of this layer is known as mesopause. Thermosphere. The thermosphere lies above the mesosphere. This layer, according to NASA, extends to a height of about 513 kilometers. In this layer, temperature rises dramatically, reaching up to 45,000 degree Fahrenheit or 2482.22 degree Celsius. This increase in temperature is due to the fact that the gas molecules in the layer absorb the X-rays and ultraviolet radiation of the sun. This results in the breakup of the gas molecules into positively and negatively charged particles or ions. Thus, the layer is also known as ionosphere. The electrically charged gas molecules of the thermosphere reflect radio waves from the Earth back into space. Thus, this layer also helps in long distance communication. The thermosphere also protects us from meteors and obsolete satellites because its high temperature burns up nearly all the debris coming towards the earth. Exosphere, this is the outermost layer of our atmosphere, which lies above the thermosphere. The exosphere extends beyond the thermosphere up to 960 kilometers. It gradually merges with interplanetary space. The temperature in this layer range from about 300 degrees Celsius to 1650 degrees Celsius. This layer contains only traces of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, argon, and helium because the lack of gravity allows the gas molecules to escape easily into space.